the silent night she takes flight. The Lady Omega and her craft's light. Through the cosmic sea where stars gleam bright, she'll weave her path in the endless night. Oh, souls of love, they shine so pure, guided by the warmth of her ethereal lore. Flybys of grace in the galaxy above. The Lady Omega radiates with love. Nebulas whisper tales of her quest. In the arms of stardust she finds her rest. Her craft a beacon through the void it flows. Wherever she goes, a new world grows. Oh, souls of love, they shine so pure, guided by the warmth of her ethereal lore. Flybys of grace in the galaxy above. The Lady Omega radiates with love. Through the Milky Way, across Andromeda's embrace, her journey of love leaves a celestial trace. In every heart and every soul she meets, a spark ignites and love completes. Oh, souls of love, they shine so pure, guided by the warmth of her ethereal lore. Flybys of grace in the galaxy above. The Lady Omega radiates with love. Oh, souls of love, they shine so pure, guided by the warmth of her ethereal lore. Flybys of grace in the galaxy above. The Lady Omega radiates with love. Through the Milky Way, across Andromeda's embrace, her journey of love leaves a celestial trace. In